Okay, we are working on 6.5. This is sales tax and commissions, and these are all based again on percentages. Sales tax is a percentage of the purchase price. It does vary from state to state, from county to county. Sales tax is equal to the sales tax rate, a percentage, times the purchase price. So the total price of an item is going to be the purchase price plus the sales tax. Now here in Oregon, we don't have sales tax, but if you go down to California, they certainly do. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, the sales tax rate in Florida is 6%. How much tax is charged on the purchase of a Florida Marlins baseball jacket that sells for $124.95? Well, let's see. First off, how much tax? So if the tax is, what am I doing? Oh, I'm okay. Sorry about that. Let me get rid of that weird looking thing. Get me on the right track here. Okay, so the tax is 6%. So it's 0.06 of the $124.95. This is your sales tax. That is this equation right here. Whoops, I apologize again. I didn't want it purple. Sales tax, there we are. All right, and then next we are going to use that equation. Okay, so let's get on with this. All right. Okay, so 0.06 times, so we're going to put this in our calculator, 0.06 times 124.95. And I get $7.49 and 7/10 of a penny. Well, I can't use that 7/10, so I'm going to have to round it. So it's going to round up. So the sales tax charged is going to be $7.50, rounding it up from 49. All right, our total price is going to be the purchase price of $124.95 plus the tax we pay on it of $7.50. This is going to leave us with a total price of, let's see, 45, carry the 1, 7, 8, plus 4 is 12, put down the 2, carry the 1, 2 and 1 is 3, and a 1. 2 decimal places. I kind of lost my 1, didn't I? It looks like 32, but it's not. It's $132.45. Okay, not too bad. You've got your two formulas. I would write those down on a piece of paper because you're going to have a test on them. All right, sales tax is $48. Okay, so that means we had the sales tax was equal to the purchase price times the tax rate. Okay, so the sales tax is $48, so that's 48 equals, on the purchase of a dining room set that sells for $960. So purchase price is $960. What is the sales tax rate? Well, that's our question, so that's our x. Now we just have to solve for x. We're going to divide both sides by 960. We'll get a decimal, so we need to change that to a percentage. So 48 divide 960. Sorry, we did that to both sides. All right, so our tax rate, or our x, it came out to 0.05, which is a 5% sales tax. Okay, example 3. Suppose the sales tax rate in Hawaii is 4%. How much sales tax is charged? So we have sales tax is equal to the purchase price, $16,400. I think that's supposed to be a new car. The purchase price is $16,400 times that sales tax rate, which is 4%, so we use 0.04. Okay, 16,400 times 0.04, and we get $656. Total price is going to be the purchase price, which was $16,400, plus the sales tax, $656, plus 16,400, and we have $17,056. Okay, I think we're getting the hang of this. All right. Now, commission. Commission is something a salesman will get based on how much money worth of goods he sells. Sorry about that. A real estate commission is 7%. What is the commission on a sale of? So commission, see, here's our formula right here. So their commission is equal to the rate, 0.07, times the purchase price of $98,000. Kind of weird 98, but that's all right. So we have 0.07 times 98,000. We get $6,860. Okay, so that's what the real estate agent would earn. Okay, so now we're just going to review a few things. Multiplying decimals. Remember, we did this last class or the class before. Anyway, consider the following. We multiply 0.3 times 0.17. We multiply the 3 times the 17, and we give it 3 decimal places because that's what the original equation had, right? We had 1, 2, 3 decimal places. And so we shortcut this. 3 times 17 equals 51. 3 decimals. So you get 0.051. Okay, and that's what our multiplying rule says. Okay, so we have 2.4. I'm getting there. 2.4. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 24 times 43. Okay, 24 times 43 is 1032. But we had 2 decimal places, so we're going to pop our decimal place in with 2 decimal places. 61 and 42 is 2562. Again, we have 2 decimal places, so it's 25.62. For number 3, we have 2 times 72, which was 144. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. So my answer is going to be 0.123. Nope, too many. I need 5 decimal places. What? Highlighter? No. Eraser? Yes, there we go. Sorry. Okay. 0.00, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. All right, 4 is 5 times 1.1, or 5 times 11, and that's equal to 55. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, so I'm going to have 0.00055. And notice again I have 5 decimal places. Dividing with the decimal divisor. So you set it up so that you move the numerator and denominator. You move their decimal point the same number of positions. And that number is the number of positions you need in order to make the denominator a whole number. So in this first case, it was by 2. So you move the top and the bottom. Then you do the division. So I'm going to have to move it 1, 2. So this becomes 3180 divided by 15. 15 goes into 31 twice, and that's 30. And then I subtract, I get 1, bring down the 8. 15 goes into 18 once. I'm left with 3, bring down the 0. 15 goes into 30 twice, but this is exactly 30, sorry, and we're done. So our answer is 212, but notice I have 1, 2, 3 decimal places, so my answer is going to be 0.212. Here again, I have to move it twice to make my divisor a whole number. So I'm going to have a 0 at the end of my dividend. 238160 and 26. So 26 goes into 238 8 times. And that's 208. Uh-oh, that left me 30. So it was supposed to be 9, not 8. All right. So remember, this is how this game plays. That should be a 9. Just going to change those numbers. Okay, so it goes in 9 times. Remember, my decimal place is all the way down here. And that gives me 234. So that's 234. So when I subtract, I get 4. I bring down the 1. 26 goes into 41 once. 26. 14, 15. Bring down the 6, 156. 26 goes into 156 twice. And that's 40, 52. I'm sorry, it's 156. I was thinking 56. No, it isn't 150. It should just be, it's 26, 15. Where did I get the 6? Arg. Okay, let's get rid of the 6. Okay. 1 was 15. Nope, so now we bring, that's where it was. That was where my 6 came from. All right, now 156. 26 goes into that 6 times, which is 156. So my answer is 9,126. Yes. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have 9.2 divided by 23. 23 goes into 92 4 times. Yeah, that's exactly 92. So my answer on this one is 0.4. Sorry, I wasn't boxing my answers. All right, I'm going to move it over once, so just once. So I have 0.0414. Not 0.6, sorry, this should just be 6. 4 is 0, 41, it's going to go in 6 times. Okay, and 6 goes into 54 9 times. 54, leaving me with a 0. So my answer is 0.0069, and we are done.